In this video, I'm going to show you how to find who mentioned you on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. TikTok allows other users to mention your account using your username. And let me show you how to find those mentions. So first open up TikTok application and here hit add inbox icon. At the top where it says all activity, tap on that and select mentions and tags. And now there I got all mentions of my account. That's actually just one mention. And I can see it here because that user used my username. It used @ and my username, and that's actually the mention. And now you know how you can simply find them. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.